Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're looking at the Bicycle Venom deck. Now this deck is one that I've opened, one that I own, one that I've played with. So to make it easier I've rearranged some of the cards in the deck rather than having to flick through and find them individually. So we'll just have a quick look here at the tuck case. There is a sort of snake skeleton there. There's also what looks like sort of flowers or a potion sort of pouring out and joining onto this banner here that says established 2012 Venom. United States Playing Card Company, information on the side, air cushion finish made in the USA. Along the bottom it says, 2012 United States Playing Card Company, 9780designs.com. I don't know whether it's said like that, it might be 9780 alakazam.co.uk. So on the back here we've got a sort of swirling snake design here. It looks a bit like a sort of a vortex, and then it's got snake heads on the ends, and then it's got this awesome swirling design with a sort of outline sort of design of a snake with its mouth open there. Now if you look behind the center here, there is some sort of grey work that's fading into red. Let's get close up on that, which looks very cool. And all of the sort of swirls and designs just really complement each other with the snake heads. I'm a big fan of skull decks with awesome skulls on it, and this comes along in that sort of line for me. As I've said before, I love grey scale and white on black and red, so it looks very good. I'm excited to crack it open and show you guys. So we'll get inside. As I said, I have used this deck before, so I have opened it and I have arranged the cards so it's easier just to show you some of the changes. So here we have a snake bursting through the card there. I love the sort of almost black and white watercolours in the background, but it looks like he's got a crown on. Very, very cool. We have a second Joker there, and we're into the Ace of Spades, which has sort of an entwined snake design there. Very, very nice. It looks like this could all be smoke. Just the way it sort of entwines and entangles into each other very nicely. And it looks like there's sort of roots coming off the bottom of the ace, which could be, they could be the tails of the snakes or anything, because it all sort of incorporates and twists into one beautiful design. Now the cards themselves are very standard, apart from the fact you get a double backer. Notice the white border on the outside as well. You also get a very cool design here. Now I don't know if this was an original back that they were going to go with, or whether it's just some artwork to include, but it's very, very nice. I like it a lot. So yeah, as I said guys, very standard faces until it comes to the royalty, which I have separated, and I placed them at the back so we can go through them here. So very grayscale with like a bluey silver to it. It's quite hard to see, but it's almost like a bluey grey slash silvery colour, and there's like a nice sort of weathered design behind the colours there. The face is almost standard apart from the colouring, and it has the Queen of Spades written in the corners. Moving into King of Clubs, which says King of Club, Jack of Heart, and Jack of Diamond. Now you'll notice between sort of even the Jack and the Kings, it's got like a dark grey sort of colouring to it, and this has got the red colouring, and also to differentiate between the two. So they all have the name of the card written at the top, and yeah, they're just really nice. I love black on red and grey, and it's all there for me. There we are, back again at the back design, and that little touch of red really adds to it for me. I really like it, and I suppose you can only see it really when you're looking close up. From the sort of distance my head is away from the camera now, away from the cards now, you can't really even see that red, and then when you bring it closer you can really see that it is there. But yeah, it's very nice deck. It feels nice, it looks nice. Incredible deck of cards. I don't know much about the deck in itself, but yeah, I'm a fan. I think it's hard not to be a fan of anything that includes sort of shadowy, ominous snakes and you know, smoky greys on a beautiful black background, incorporating that red. You know, all things that I've mentioned many times before that I'm a massive, massive fan of. So that was the Bicycle Venom deck, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I haven't added this to a video before, but if you're interested and you like watching my videos, feel free to comment and give me some feedback, and also if you like, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.